Reputation is like your shadow. It follows you everywhere, and once it's damaged, it's almost impossible to repair. That's why Robert Greene calls it one of the most powerful weapons of influence. Law 5 is simple. Protect your reputation at all costs. A strong reputation makes people trust you, respect you, and even fear you without you saying a word. It opens doors, creates opportunities, and gives you influence before you even act. But a single crack in your reputation, one careless mistake, one rumor, one sign of weakness, and it can all collapse. That's why powerful people are always aware of how they're being seen. They build their reputation carefully, defend it fiercely, and never allow enemies to attack it unchecked. Remember, your reputation is your armor. It protects you even when you're not around, so guard it with your life. Build it strong, keep it clean, and use it wisely. And that's Law 5. In the next video, we'll uncover Law 6, a rule that shows why attention is power and how you must demand it at all costs.